Guys, what's up? And this is Serious User. I want you to like, subscribe to my videos on my YouTube channel, Serious User. Thank you for your likes and for subscribing to my channel, and please do comment for you to be noticed, and it's much appreciated if you visit my channel. Thank you, and let's have this one. Yeah, our journey to the hanging bridge of JR Forest Park here at Gisao, Zamboanga City. Let's go. Ready na ba tayo, guys? Ay, ready na pala ako, guys. Ready na, dapat ready na. Let's cross this bridge and we'll see when we get there. La, magalaw, maalog. Oh my god. Katakot pala to, guys. Magalaw. Layo pa. Ay, nakalord. Let's go. Oh my god. Hello. Oh. Grabe ang lalim. Ilang feet kaya to? Oh my god. Guys, ang lalim, guys. At mag-isa ako dito. Buti na lang din kasi kung may kasama pala mas nakakatakot din kasi gagalaw nila to for sure. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, ang lalim po, ang lalim. Ang layo ko pa, nasa gitna pa lang ako. Oh no. Hindi pa ako nakagitna. Hala. Oh Lord. Ala, Diyos ko Lord. Hmm.